name, ma'am? Ma'am Lovely Rose? Yes, ma'am. Surprise! Nakay fresh flower with cake and a gift. Yes, ma'am. Ablihan na to, mama. Aron makita ni mo. Tanaw na to, ma'am. Unsay arin. Dara, ma'am, ang iyahang gift. Ma'am, may hapon. Kaila-ila day mi, kami day ang Chubbs Flower Shop. Nga nagdag surprise sa mong birthday. So, dahil pa, basa gamay si sir. Happy birthday from Buyuyoy. Kantahan ka na mo, gamay ma'am, namang kay mga co-workers, gamay lang. Kanta na to si ma'am, okay ra? 1, 2, 3, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday love.
Happy birthday.
Rose.
Ma'am, mga iko gamay message ni sir. Gamay. Oh, na-surprise ka? Okay.
Thank you.